my new intro.
Alright, what is up, guys? We are playing Granny, Grandma, and I have the hiccups. Let's go to Grandma's house. Didn't read anything. And I haven't played this game in like a year. So, yeah. I probably should have made this video when my hiccups stopped. But no thanks. Alright, good morning. Why is it so dark? I just woke up. Let's put on my clothes. Okay, my clothes are just gone. They're not. I have no clothes, I guess. Alright, that's okay. I'll wear this vase. Why does it make a noise? It's a vase. What is this? Grandma, I wanted a cookie. Am I a baseball to you? Is there like a bell in this vase or something? Where is she? She just opened the door and just, nope. Catch. There. Grandma, I love you. I love you. Oh, is this a punching bag? Uh-oh. I killed it. Grandma? Grandma? Grandma! What is she doing? She put out... What the... Why is there just a hole in the floor? Day 3? It's already day 3? Alright, Grandma, I'm hungry. Gone 2 days without eating. Feed me. I still have the hiccups. And I lost my vase. Alright, I'm starving. So let's see if there's anything in the fridge. Bird seeds, yum. And a part of a shotgun. Just warm this up. Oh my gosh. Hi, Grandma. Do you want something? I can microwave you part of a shotgun. You know, that's always good. That's my favorite. Microwaved shotguns. They taste really good, Grandma. I love you. Love you. What's so funny? Is she... Oh gosh. Grandma, I love you.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Sure. Oh, okay. Who's counting? Who's counting? 3, 2, 1, not it. Alright, Grandma, you're counting. Count to 666, and I should be ready. Whee! What is that about? How am I supposed to get down the stairs now? Do I have to go through that hole in the ceiling? Really? Is there like stairs? Wait, I think if I go through here. Oh my gosh, move! What? Alright, I guess I'll... Oh my gosh! Do you think she's done counting? It just disappears? Where did it go? I really need to stop hiccuping. I thought we were playing hide and seek, not baseball. Why do you have a bat?
Do you want to play hide and seek?
We're already playing hide and seek. Already forget? You're so old. Don't worry, she won't be insulted. She's so old that she can't even hear. Oh my gosh, why can't I go up the stairs? Are you kidding me? You put traps in the most inconvenient places. Like, how am I supposed to get around this? What else was I supposed to do? Oh, you weren't upstairs! Since when were you upstairs? My gosh. So we can teleport now, Grandma? You're still looking for me? If you put down another trap right there, I swear, I won't microwave your shotgun. I'll feed it too cold. Go upstairs so I can... Yes, go to your room until your shotgun is ready. My gosh. Grandmas these days. What did you do with your shotgun? I guess you don't get a shotgun. Go in the microwave! Oh, there's... Wait, what? I thought it was a shotgun. There, your special key is microwaved. Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! I literally... Am I a baseball to you? I finally finished your food and you just baseball bat me. Didn't even let me eat my bird seeds yet. My gosh. Alright. She didn't even eat. Do you know how much effort I put into making that for you? And you didn't even eat it.
Play hide and seek.
We've been playing hide and seek. My gosh. Too slow. Breaking Granny's ankles. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Get on the stairs. Trolling Granny on day 5. Boop, 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 boop. Oh no, oh no. Where's the hand? Okay, okay. There we go. Juking her out. Okay, Granny, where are you? Granny, can we play tag? I'm getting bored of hide and seek. Wait. Gasoline? Light this house on fire. Wait, what if I put this in the microwave? I can blow up the house. Let's blow up this dang house. I thought that was day 5. I am so confused. That was only day 4? Oh. Wait, where was my gasoline? Was it over there? Yeah, I see it. Okay. There's a trap there. Oh, I just knocked down the table. Alright, what? Oh, okay, the gasoline's right here. You need to get this in the microwave and blow up this house. Just dropped another trap right there. Get in the microwave. Get in! My gosh. Where did it go? It's over there now. Little does Granny know I'm blowing up her house right now. Probably just playing baseball. Thank you all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I am now deleting Granny.